Hello, I'm Juan Mendez, the United Nations Special Rapporteur on Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment and Punishment. My March 2015 thematic report is about children deprived of their liberty. I wrote this report to explore the international legal framework and standards protecting children deprived of their liberty from torture and other ill treatment. My research has made it clear that higher standards and broader are required to protect children from torture or ill treatment. Children deprived of their liberty are at a heightened risk of violence and abuse because they have particular vulnerabilities and unique physiological and psychological needs. Medical science has proven that even very short periods of detention can harm a child's psychological and physical development and compromise his or her cognitive development. I believe that the detention of children must always be a last resort, to be used only for the shortest time possible and only if it is in the best interest of the child. The main conclusions of my report include: 1. States should adopt alternatives to detention for children whenever possible. Minimum age of criminal responsibility should be no lower than 12 years of age. No life sentences without parole for children, and even lengthy sentences can be grossly disproportionate and amount to ill treatment. No use of restraints for children deprived of their liberty under any circumstance. No solitary confinement for children deprived of their liberty. No death penalty for children deprived of their liberty. No corporal punishment for children deprived of their liberty. No immigration detention. Detention of children based on migration status is never in the best interest of the child, and it is grossly disproportionate and constitutes ill treatment. Special attention must be paid to children deprived of their liberty in health and social care institutions, including in private settings. It is my hope that policymakers and advocates worldwide will use this report in their work and advocacy pertaining to children deprived of liberty, with a view to effecting meaningful policy and practical changes in this important area. I hope you will use this report in your work and advocacy and view the Anti-Torture Initiative as a valuable resource and partner to that end. I especially encourage all stakeholders to follow the progress of my report and related developments via the Anti-Torture Initiative. The Anti-Torture Initiative is a project of the Center for Human Rights and Humanitarian Law at the American University Washington College of Law. The Anti-Torture Initiative works with my mandate to expand and support the implementation of country-specific and thematic recommendations. Together we must work to ensure that no child deprived of his or her liberty is ever subjected to torture or ill treatment.